everyone, welcome back to English with Kavita Kapoor. Today I am there before you again with another revision video of the chapter Landscape of the Soil. In this chapter the writer contrasts between the two view of art, Chinese view of art and the European view of art. He contrasts between both of the arts by using two stories, and now I will tell you both of the stories. So let's start with the first one. One day an emperor called a painter to decorate his palace wall. The painter came and drew a beautiful scenery on the palace wall to decorate it. And after decorating it, the emperor came and saw that painting. That painting seemed so real and he got impressed by looking at that painting. And when the painter started describing his painting, and when he clapped his hands, the cave that he drew on the palace wall in his painting, its door suddenly opened and the painter entered into the cave. After entering into the cave, the door of the cave suddenly closed and the painting disappeared as well as the painter. The painting and the painter both disappeared. The emperor got shocked and surprised. How did this thing happen? But that was just the beauty of the art that the painter made. This is the first story. And in the next story, once a blacksmith fall in love with the quintain's daughter. Once a blacksmith fall in love with the quintain's daughter. But Quintain was not ready to marry his daughter with the blacksmith. But blacksmith knew how to draw the painting. So one day, what did he do? He entered into the Quintain's room and he drew a fly on the Quintain's latest panel. When he drew a fly means makhi, on the Quintain's latest panel, when the Quintain came and tried to sweat it away, means udane ki koshish ki, tried to sweat it away, he couldn't do that. And when he came to know it is just a painting, he got impressed by the painting painting made by the blacksmith. And then he got agreed for the marriage proposal of blacksmith with his daughter. And then he married both of the persons. So these are the two views of art. In both of the arts, the writer is trying to explain that how can a person describe a beauty with his eyes and how can he seize the reality of his painting. So these are both of the arts and you will have to read this chapter thoroughly to understand it more properly. Still, if you feel any doubt, any problem, you may text me or call me anytime. I'll solve your problem. Okay? All the best.